Hey everyone, I'm Shannon, an investments writer here at Finder.com. And today we're going to walk you through SoFi Invest's Discover feature, which helps you easily find trending stocks and ETFs. But first, let's talk about the basics of SoFi Invest and what makes it stand out. SoFi Invest offers two main services: SoFi Invest Active, a self-directed brokerage account, and SoFi Invest Automated, a robo-advisor. This means that SoFi offers something for both active investors who want to pick their own securities and the hands-off type who prefer to have an algorithm design and automatically rebalance their portfolio for them. SoFi Invest stands out for low costs. You can open an account with just $1, and you won't pay any commissions on stocks or ETFs. Plus, SoFi doesn't charge an annual management fee, which is rare. Even the most competitively priced online brokers tend to charge management fees that range from 0.25 to 0.35%. And with SoFi Invest, you get free access to certified financial planners over the phone for up to 90 days. Again, this is rare. Most online brokers require you to have at least $25,000 in your account before you get this perk. So you can call an advisor to help you with things like budgeting, paying down debt, saving for retirement at no cost to you. SoFi Invest is a good platform for beginners. It is affordable, it's easy to use, and it provides educational content on various investing topics like cryptocurrency and investing in fractional shares and stocks. But it may fall short for more experienced investors, especially since it only lets you invest in stocks, ETFs, and 3 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. You can't directly trade mutual funds, futures, Forex, or bonds. However, automated portfolios may invest in ETFs that hold bond investments. Also, some investors may be disappointed with SoFi's lack of robust stock screening features that let you filter stocks based on a variety of different parameters. Still, SoFi's user interface makes it easy to find investments that you may be interested in. For example, its Discover feature on the homepage helps you identify trending stocks and ETFs based on different categories, like industry sector. Here's how it works. When you open your SoFi account, click on the Invest tab at the top of your screen. As you scroll down, one of the first things that you will notice is a section titled Market Comparison. This gives you a snapshot of how ETFs tracking the major market indexes are performing. These are meant to give you an idea of how the market as a whole is doing. Underneath that is a button that lets you look up the stocks of companies you may already be interested in, so you can add these to your watch list. Below that, you will see a section called Learn. Here, you will find a collection of tutorials and educational articles on different investing topics. If you keep scrolling, you will find a section labeled Discover. The third button from the right kicks off a stream of buttons that breaks down stocks and ETFs by category, such as industry sector and market price range. For this example, let's take a look at stocks under $25. Once you click on this grouping, you're taken to a page that lists a handful of the most traded investments in that category. For each, the page displays the stock's 52-week price change, percentage change, and current market price. When you click on one stock, you get some more detailed information about it. You can see real-time quotes and analyze performance over the course of up to 5 years. A sidebar to the right shows you key details like daily highs and lows, market caps, and dividend yields. If you scroll down, you get a snippet of the company's background, as well as links to the latest news from leading financial publications. If you're interested in the stock, you can scroll back up to the upper right and click Buy or Add to Watch List. If you click Buy, SoFi will ask you how many shares you'd like to purchase. You can then review your order and submit it to complete the transaction. You can read the full review of SoFi Invest or compare other brokerage account options on Finder.com. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll be the first to know when new Finder videos drop. Thanks for watching.